Hi kindergarten, it's Mrs. Merritt. Today we are going to do an activity that aligns with Module 4, Lesson 17. And our objective today is to be able to add up to 10 and create a number sentence based on our word problem. So we're going to create number sentences based on whatever word problem we're given, and then we're going to find the total, which means everything all together. So I found this game on ABC야, and it's important to remember this game because you're going to do your homework or your practice from this site, okay? So I will give you all the directions on how to do that, but this is the site you're going to do your homework on today, which is kind of cool, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and hit play. Remember, we're only adding up to 10, so this game is perfect. Okay, we're going to turn off the music, but we are going to listen for the person to read the story.
The bush is growing 3 red beans and 5 orange beans. How many beans are there in total?
Okay, so it says the bush is growing 3 red beans and 5 orange beans. How many are there in total? So all together. Now this picture, it just looks like a mess to me. So I want to organize it. I'm going to sort them into my red, since we talked about the red ones first. I'm going to put my red ones all over here. So 1, 2, 3, that's all my red. And then I'm going to line up my orange ones over here. That just makes my word problems so much easier when I'm writing my number sentence because I can see the picture in my 2 parts. All right, so we have how many red? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write a 3 over here. 3, and then plus how many orange? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus 5 orange equals, let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 3 plus 5 equals 8. That's our number sentence, okay? They don't want our number sentence though. What they want is how many all together, so our whole, which is 8. Tell me to stop when I get to the 8. Good job. Stop. Okay. Let's go on to our next problem. For this one, you're going to need a paper and a pencil. Okay. Or a whiteboard.
There are 4 red beans in the tree and 5 red beans on the ground. How many red beans are there?
There are 4 red beans in the tree and 5 red beans on the ground. Okay. So they are kind of organized into 2 parts, right? They have those ones in the tree and those ones on the ground. So we're okay. Let's get to our number sentence. So we're going to do the ground plus the tree, or the tree plus the ground. Remember, with addition, you can switch your 2 parts. It's just your whole that has to be in place. So let's start with the ground. How many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So there's our first part. 5. Sorry, my writing is improving, but it's not there yet. Plus, how many are on here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Remember that equal sign. So our part plus our part equals our whole. So we have to count everything all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you can always check on your fingers too. So watch. Oh boy. Here we go. 9. Okay? So let's put up 5 plus our other 4 and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did we do it? We sure did. Okay. So we have to find the 9. Tell me when to stop. Good job. Stop. Okay, here's our next problem.
The turtle has 3 yellow beans, and the goat has 2 green beans. How many beans are there overall?
Overall, so all together. So it says the turtle has 3 yellow, which they showed in our picture, and the goat has 2 green, which they also showed in our picture. What I want you to do is pause the video, and I want you to write me a number sentence. Unpause me when you're ready. All right, let's see if we got the same number sentence. So I'm going to do my turtle first. How many yellow beans did he have? 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to do my green beans. So 3 plus, how many green? 1, 2 equals, can you help me count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. So let's just check our work. This is what your number sentence could look like. It could say 3 plus 2 equals 5. Or remember, we can switch these 2 parts. So you could do 2 plus 3 equals 5. Okay? Because you can switch those 2 parts. So let's do 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did we do it? Yes. Tell me when to stop on the 5. Yep, stop. Okay, you did such a great job on that problem. We're going to do one more. I'm going to read you the problem. We're going to make our picture. And then I'm going to have you pause me like we did before. And we're going to create a number sentence and figure out how many we have all together. Okay, so 5 beans fell out of a tree. Okay, so let's have them all over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, let's move this one over here. 5. And 2 beans fell out of another tree. We have 1, 2 over here. How many beans were in the trees? Okay, I want you to pause me, write your number sentence, and come back. All right, let's see if we got the same answer. So, 5 beans fell out of a tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, one of my parts. And then 2 more fell out of another tree. 1, 2. There's my other part. Let's figure out how many we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now let's just check our answer. So we had 5, and then we have 2 more. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We did it. Now remember, this number sentence can be switched. So it could say 2 plus 5 equals 7. Tell me when to stop when I get to the number 7. Yep, stop. There's a 7. Okay.
Molly made it to the magical pot. Follow the
Okay, so we made it to the end. This is just a really fun part of it, so we're gonna do it together. It says Molly made it to the magical pot. Follow the recipe and put the beans in the pot. So we need 1 red bean, 2 orange beans, 1 yellow bean, 1 green bean. For some reason, it's not staying. 4 blue, and 3 and 4, and 1 purple. Oh, for some reason, it did not stay. Okay, well, there is a little bit of a glitch. So, what I want you to do is the game always mixes up the word problems. So, what I want you to do is I'll put the link below. And what I want you to do is play this game and create some number sentences and send them to me, Miss Shirvani, or Mr. Thayer to show us all your hard work you're doing in math. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.